Mario Brothers and plumbing's the game. Found the secret water zone while working on the drain. Lend the princess a hand in the mushroom land. Join the action with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Now, Evil Koopa and his troopers are up to misbehaving. They kidnapped the princess, mushroom land needs saving. Abusing and confusing, everybody discovers they can't help but be hooked on the brothers.
Plumber's Log number 101, The Land of Ice. Me and my brother Luigi had just rescued Princess Toadstool from King Koopa, and we're looking for the magic that would set her kingdom free and get us home to Brooklyn.
Hey! Let me go! I'm warning ya! I get acid! Help!
Oh no! Poor Toad! Bring him back, you dim-witted birdo! Look! The birdo took Toad to the highest peak! Please, Mario! Toad saved my life 100 times! We've got to save his!
Don't worry, Princess. Luigi and me will climb that mountain before you can say spaghetti and meatballs.
I can't! I'm allergic to mountains!
Okay, wait here. And if you become lunch for a polar bear, don't blame us.
A polar bear? Lunch?
Everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a word, oh well, a bird. Bird is a word, oh well, a bird. Oh well, a bird is a word, oh well, a bird. The bird's a word, oh well, a bird. Oh well, a bird is a word, oh well, a bird.
Cheepy! My darling little Cheepy! Give Mommy a kiss.
What are you trying to do, you wacko blade? Drown me?
Mommy missed her little Cheepy so much!
Mommy? You're not my mommy!
Oh, you're such a jokester!
Wow!
Now, where did I put that telephone? Aha! Hello? Oh, it's the Missing Bird Bureau. You can call off the thirst for my missing baby. I found my little sweetums. It was a terrible picture of you anyway, little Cheepy.
I'm not your little cheepy!
Oh, Cheepy, quit kidding around and give Mommy a hug.
Wow!
Oh, this is a fun game. Kiss 'em, kiss 'em, kiss 'em, they're coming.
I gotta get out of here!
Oh no! We'll never save Toad now!
He was the nicest little fungus I ever knew.
Luigi, we can't quit now. Remember the plumber's motto.
Who could forget? Don't take chances or you'll go down the drain.
No, when the pipe is plugged, keep plunging. Hasta power! Come on, Princess, you can do it too.
Hasta power!
Mamma mia!
See? I told you we'd be perfectly safe.
It's them. Princess Toadstool and those two faucet freaks. Come on, Flaky. Let's tell King Koopa so we can put him on ice for good.
Well, at last you two powder puffs did something right.
Thank you, your extremist, most royal and regal goopiness.
Watch it, soldier. When I want my feet licked, I'll ask for it. I want my feet licked. This will be the last time those pinhead plumbers throw a monkey wrench into my evil plans. Attention, Koopa Troopers! It's air raid time!
Rock-a-bye, little cheapie, on the mountain so high. If you get lost again, your mommy will cry.
I can't be your little cheapy lady. I don't have wings. Look, no wings, no feathers. I'm just a mushroom that can't stand heights.
Oh, cheapie, you're such a teaser. I almost forgot. It's time for your flying lessons.
Flying lessons? Are you out of your mind?
I just hope we can reach Toad before something terrible happens to him.
Oh, to us.
Cheer up, Luigi. It could be worse.
Worse? How could it be worse?
Mario! It's a ba-bomb! And I was hoping for a nice salami sandwich.